This is the MINIMA 5 puzzle designed by Frederic Boucher and made by Pelikan, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside the frame. The frame looks quite interesting since there are a lot of openings. Some of them are big enough to fit the parts, but some of them are too small to fit even just a part of the piece. So they look kind of weird, but they play a key role in solving the puzzle. If you like the MINIMA 5 puzzle, a puzzle from an awesome MINIMA puzzle series, you can buy it at puzzlemaster.ca, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. The solution is absolutely insane. It will be not that easy to find it. So the parts inside of the frame will sit like that. But now we have to find a way how to put them inside. We will start with this piece, put it like that. Then you put it all the way to the left, and now you have to rotate it here where you will use this opening. As you can see, you can put a part of a piece through it, and it will be just enough to rotate this part. Now move it all the way to the left and drop down. It sticks out in here. Now you grab this piece, put it inside like that, and all the way to the left, you have to rest it on top of the first piece. Then you grab this part, put it inside and down. Now you have to grab the second piece and rotate it inside of the box like that. You have to use this cutout again for rotation. It might be not as easy, but there are other openings that will help you a little bit, since you can stick your finger through them to help you to rotate the piece. Let's hope I can do that. Yeah, now it is almost rotated. I just have to put it into correct position. Yeah, now it is rotated. It is right in here. The next step will be to tilt the box to the right so that this piece will drop here. Now we can push this piece up, this piece in, and there are 3 parts inside, and you can put the last one through this opening, and the puzzle is solved. All 4 parts are inside of the frame. Great puzzle, crazy solution with lots of rotations. And if you like this puzzle and you want to try other awesome puzzles from the MINIMA series, go to puzzlemaster.ca.